Hello my lovelies, happy Monday, welcome to another crafting week. So I'm here with part 3 of my design team project for Tracie Fox Creative, Catherine's gift ideas, using Tracie's kits. Now mainly I'm using Compendium 1, 2 and Dark Compendium and Mega Mix and Match. And then a selection of labels and tickets, which I've always got Tracie's labels in. So what we're going to do here is some little notebooks. I've got some 12 by 12 papers that I've got left. I don't use them, if you've been a while. I don't tend to use, it's very thin card, I would say, but it's from a 12 by 12. So we're 12 that way. Now what I've actually done is I've cut a strip 4 inches wide, so that's roughly 105 centimetres, 4 inches wide. Then turn it over and I've made 3 score lines just so it's a bit, you know, it's easier to fold on the round, and that's roughly 2. And then at this side I've scored two score lines, and that is 1.5. Doesn't matter, don't get hung up about the sizes, it doesn't matter too much. You could have it how you want it really. So mainly you've got your 12 by 12, you then cut a strip. You could do it bigger, but I thought this was a nice little size. 4, you turn it over, you do 3 score lines on the left, which gives you just over 2 inches, and then at this side 2 score lines and it gives you 1.5. I've then punched 2 holes in and put 2 eyelets in there. I've cut an assortment of papers out. Now for these I've got an assortment of David's tea dyed and avocado dyed papers. I'll put those at the back, and roughly I have cut them so we've just got the smidgen of space either side, so that it fits in there nicely. Fold your eyelet down, and then what I've done here is I've just with the pencil put the positioning for the eyelets. Got my crocodile, which has got something in it. I need to give it a pokey prod. Come on, out. Pokey tool. Do you know, don't they get in the smallest of places, these little, I've been making a few of these, so now I can't get them. That's it. Okay, so I'm using the largest of my crocodile. If you haven't, then you need to just punch a hole where you've made your mark. See? Again, doesn't want to come out. Got quite a few layers, you see. You could do them all separately if you wanted. But okay, that's not going to quite reach there. Let's see what's happening there. It must have slipped. I'm going to say I can't understand why it didn't fit. Should do. There we go. So just line all that up there. Okay, I'm just going to put my crocodile on there just to keep it still. Right, okay, so I am going to thread, just got one of my needles. Ouch, stabbed myself now. Just going to thread it with some linen thread. Okay, and we're going to thread through to the back, so just fiddle with it a little bit so you've got that alignment. I don't seem to have. So it's God, I can't do it. What am I doing here? I think it's because that bottom one's slit. You know, if you're using scraps and they're all different sizes, sometimes you have to be careful that you've got them all lined up. Take that thick one out. You know, when you're off camera, they always go perfect. It's typical, isn't it? There and there. Yeah, so can you see it just slipped, so there's a couple that have missed the spot. Okay, what I'm going to do there is, can you see where I've missed? I'm just going to go back in. No big deal, just go back in. There we go. And again, line it up. That's better, look. It's missed the card now. There we are, we got there in the end. Okay, so I've threaded this linen thread. We're going in through the back, down through the one on the right hand side. I'm going to do it twice. So now we don't need too much. I'm going to tie a little bow on the back when it's double. So, you know, so you're not wasting any of your thread. I just leave it attached at one side. There we go. Make sure it's nice and tight. Put that back in there so I don't stab myself. Pull that, sew it just as if you're sewing a signature really. And we're going to put a bit of a knot on there first, so just put your finger over it just so we've got it tight. And pull till it's really tight. There we go. I'll just tie a little bow on there. More fingers and thumbs today. There we go. Right, turn it back over. So we've got this business going on here. So we're just going to make sure your papers are flat, and then we're going to curl it up until it just fits in under your flap there, and then we can burnish it like that. So you open it up, you've got your pad and all your papers there, and then you're just going to burnish it there. Okay, so that's that bit done. So then I am just going to put a few bits and bobs on of traces on the front now. Oh yes, straight away, I like that. So a lovely big butterfly from the I shall put it down in the details. I can't remember which butterfly kit this one is. Gorgeous as usual. Now then, do I want anything at the top or not? I'm not sure if I do. Let's see if we might want just a little. Little in that corner, just to offset it a bit. There we go. There we go. So there it is. So you can make quite a few with your 12x12s. You can make 3 because they're 4 each, so you can make 3 from a 12x12 sheet. And I've used the wider eyelets. You can use the smaller ones, but these are the We Are Memory Keepers ones that come. You get them for the crocodile, and these are the wider eyelets, which I think just gives it a bit of something extra for this particular project. Okay then, my lovelies, a lovely quick and easy makes Monday for you. So thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe, help my channel grow, and I'll see you next video. Bye for now.